Ninja Thirsti, only dispensing one flavor? Here's the fix. If your Thirsti is only dispensing from one flavor pod and ignoring the other, it's usually a detection or seating problem. Here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Swap or reseat both flavor pods. Lift the flavor carriage and remove both pods. If one feels nearly empty or looks dry at the nozzle, replace it with a fresh pod. That's one of the most common reasons flavor stops dispensing. I've linked the flavor drop set I use below. It clicks in easily and guarantees a clean seal. Then reseat each pod one at a time, making sure they click in firmly and the nozzle faces down. Step 2. Fully close the flavor carriage. Press the carriage down until it locks shut. If it doesn't close all the way, one of the pods may be crooked. Reseat and try again. Step 3. Test each flavor separately. Run a 12-ounce drink using just pod 1. Then repeat using pod 2. Use the flavor strength buttons to toggle between them. Each pod should light up and dispense when selected. Step 4. Unplug and reset the system. If one pod still isn't working, unplug the unit for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and try again. A full reset often restores pod detection. Step 5. Contact support if the same pod always fails. If one side still never dispenses, even with a new pod, there could be a sensor fault or valve issue. Contact Ninja support using the link in the description. If this helped you get both flavor pods working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance help. And if your pod might be the problem, I've linked the flavor drop set I use below. It clicks in fast and gets your taste working right again. Thanks for watching, and double the flavor.